Assalamu-Alaikum, my dear viewers. How are you today? This is Naz with Hijabs and You with another tutorial. And it's supposed to be a beautiful, beautiful, very simple yet elegant tutorial that I would hope that each one of you will try and make sure you try it. Yes, how are you today? How is everyone doing? It's beautiful, it's another day, and we must be thankful that we have, Allah SWT has given us life, and we are up and about and ready to go to have another day. Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah. So, let me show you today, very quickly, how I got this most beautiful, beautiful, elegant look. It's an absolutely gorgeous scarf. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's so pretty, and this hijab tutorial is the most easiest one. So without taking much of your time, I'd like to get right into this tutorial and show you how I got this most beautiful, elegant look that you will have to try, because it's just so simple. So simple. Okay, so let's get right into the tutorial. So I've got my ninja on today. It's a very, very thin one. And so the hair here, it shows through. So I'm not going to show you how, but that's what it looks like. And it's got coverage and it works really well under the scarf. And let me show you my scarf. It's an absolutely beautiful, beautiful scarf. It's just so gorgeous. I just want to look at it. It's so beautiful. So let's get into the tutorial first, and then we can chat about this. So I'm going to take a very short side and the length of the other side. And all we're going to do, and I really don't need the ninja to show. I just want it there to hold my scarf in place. And if you don't want to wear a ninja, that's certainly up to you. Whatever makes you comfortable. If you want to wear a cap, or you want to even wear it without an inner cap, it's certainly up to you. But this works good for me. I like coverage. I like my neck. I don't have to worry about it. And there's nothing showing. So let's get this going. Just bring it down here. Put some pressure and just fold this in. And we're going to use a safety pin and give it a little pin here. We got that done. It's a really, really beautiful scarf. Absolutely gorgeous. And now all we're going to do is we're going to bring the other side over here. Because it's so much fabric, just want to make sure that everything moves over with it, and then I will fold it the way I want to show you how we fold it. And this is going to give you lots of coverage. Basically all we're doing, bring this over, and we're going to put it like that. And before we take this over, what we're going to do is we're going to bring it back. See this here? We're going to bring it back to give it a nice, neat look. We're going to bring it under this scarf, and we're going this side, and we're going to just pin it here. We're going to use a safety pin, a stick pin to do that. And that's all we are doing, my dear viewers. We are just we've got full coverage. It's so simple and so easy. And we can leave that flowing in the back if you want to. It's absolutely gorgeous. Look at the full coverage that we have. See the way it's wrapped? It just takes everything over and it gives you some volume in the front. Do you see that? How beautiful that is? Absolutely gorgeous. And you've got full coverage and it's sitting nicely. We can put some folds if we want to because there's so much fabric. See that? How is that? And I will just give it, I like things in place. So just to make sure that it stays in place, we just put a little stick pin, not very much, just a little one. And here as well. The scarf is so beautiful. The fabric is so beautiful. It doesn't take much at all, but we're just going to put one here to keep those folds in place. And see, it's just a simple. And we are done. Look at that. See that? My dear viewers, how simple was that? All we did, it was one wrap. We put a safety pin here, bring it over, and just while bringing it over, we used the under part of it and brought it over here just to give it a nice, neat, tight look. And there you go. We're done. I'm ready to go. I hope you're ready to go too. And you will try this. It's absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Oh my. I don't like that the tag is here, so I will chip that off because I don't like anything not being in place. And my dear viewers, please tell me what you think. How beautiful is that? Absolutely gorgeous. Wow. I hope you're going to try that. I hope you liked it. It was just so simple. Please try it and let me know. Leave a comment for me and let me know what you're thinking about it. Okay? All right. So if you like it, hit the like button and share it with your friends and family, please. It's important just to share. The more, the better for all of us, because we are going to extend our family if we share. And if we extend our family on this platform and more of our sisters get to know more about the hijab and more about what I have to offer, it is all better for all of us. And we're hoping, you know, we have to fill the bucket up. It's trying to get the blessings for the akhirah. So whatever little we can do that would enhance our life here and enhance our life once we leave this world and make it better for us, we have to do it. We must try and do it. It's very simple, it's minimal, little effort, but it's priceless. So share it with your friends and family. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button. Click on the bell icon and tick on the all. I hope you're keeping safe. I hope you're doing your best to take care of yourself and take care of your families. And please do not let your guards down. Still be very vigilant because the virus is still out there. So please take care of each other, take care of yourselves, and make the best of every moment. Because a moment lost is a moment gone. Until we meet again, this is Naz taking your leave and saying Assalamu Alaikum.